So we got to go down the pit lanes, which was absolutely amazing.
I've given a quick demonstration of the Nebula platform itself.
It's good to find out about the new products that are coming up.
Great presentation.
Today is MSP Accelerate.
So we're at Silverstone, the racetrack. Well, I mean, obviously, we represent speed, right? So obviously as networks, we're trying to show faster, increased speeds, etc. So Zyxel Networks is a networking brand company. So we build wireless, switching, security, and 5G product. We encompass all of those in an end-to-end solution. So we focus predominantly on delivering to small to medium businesses. And our core values is that we make reliable, connectivity and products that do that and deliver that and allow these guys to build businesses off of our products, right?
Events like this are really critical and important for Zyxel in the fact that it allows us to meet our customers and our customers to meet us. They might not understand all of our portfolios, etc. that we have, and events like this allow them to come in, understand it, and be able to ask those questions on a one-to-one basis. We've had the morning, we've had a great session from Kevin this morning. He gave us a run through of the products, the Nebula, the features and functions, the MSP. I've given a quick demonstration of the Nebula platform itself.
So we got to go down the pit lanes, which was absolutely amazing. We got to see where all of the drivers, all the cars sit, where all the garages are. It was a pretty amazing experience. We got to stand on the podium. So when they actually pick up and win the trophies, that's what we got to see. So it was really quite exciting.
Yeah, it was a very good event. There's a good turnout. It's good to find out about the new products that are coming up and how they've improved the cloud platform.
That has been a fantastic day, a lot of information, great presentation. But I must say that I would have loved to have another day to actually discover and go even further, but fantastic event.
I hear from lots of customers here today who have been customers with Zyxel for a long time, and they still speak about equipment that have been in for years, and that's great news to my ears, is the fact that, it just, when it goes in, it works and it stays there forever.
So my relationship with Zyxel personally goes back over 20 years. They're very accessible, very knowledgeable, always very helpful. When we first deployed the solution we've got in here at Silverstone, they had the team back in Taiwan manage that live real time for us for when we put this system in. It was so good that Red Bull have asked us to deliver the same solution for them for the hospitality this year for the F1.